Hey guys, this is your boy Anthony, the drone highway drone factory. Okay, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the flight RC flight video that we built last. If you have not seen the video, go watch it. I'm going to drop the link down in the description. So watch how to build it and then come back and watch this video. Make sure you watch my other videos, the past, because in this channel I'm going to be showing you guys different projects, how to build and also fly. Later I'm going to do that in a separate course, how to fly your RC plane and drone. Okay, so let's watch this right now.
I just buy new shirts, like new set of clothes for something valid. And this guy, I just bring that back.
Go watch it. That all this video, this part is part of the last project we built. So the complete build of this RC plane. I'm just showing you guys the clips. Okay, so go watch the video so you understand where I start from. Should I change? So guys, what happened on that video, the aircraft doesn't want to take off from the ground, and the problem was the way I mounted the motor. The motor was tilting down a little bit. The way I mounted the motor angle was really much. I meant to do that for tricycle wheel aircraft. So and I did the same model for my tail dragger wheel. So it affects the aircraft while taking off on ground. So it makes the aircraft tilt downward. So but when I launched it, it's meant to go down, but the pilot on ground gave it an elevator. So for it to keep it balanced. So let's watch the video, and I crashed the plane at the end, and you guys should watch it. It was fun, the hobby is really fun, and there's a lot of fun. So when you build, I would love to see you guys build. I'm going to make sure I get this project successful. So hope you guys will come back and watch the next video, because I'm going to still build this same aircraft. This the tricycle wheel, and we're going to fly it together. So bye for now. Let's watch the video. What is going on? You don't do Holland. So guys, we crashed this and I will be flying my friend drone, so don't feel disappointed. It's not every time that it's always turns out good. Okay, so let's fly this one right now. Okay, I'm going to be launching it hand launch. Yeah.
And I'm the
Okay.
one going to be flying. I never caught you.
So you guys can see it's flying very well. It's really stable. I'm going to teach you guys how to do this next video. Okay? Wow, that was tough on the pass. I'm going to do it fast. What happened right there? Take off. Take off. Ah. That day we were all laughing and the crash was kind of fun. It's been a while we crashed our aircraft, so the project was successful. It flew, but I really want to show you guys a new project. So I'm going to make sure that flies very well and stable. So I'm going to make sure I explain this motor mounting to you guys, how to mount your motor. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Okay guys, bye for now. Thanks very much for watching my videos. It's your boy Highway Drop Factory. I'm out.